Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy out of Dolores, Colorado. So, we're talking about footwork requirements. On top of our normal moves, we also have footwork requirements because I believe that being able to be dynamic, being able to move around your space is essential for any martial artist. So the two pieces of footwork that we need in order to move from our white to our yellow belt are relatively simple. We have our step drag and our shuffle. So from our right guard stance right here, our step drag is exactly like it sounds. I'm gonna go ahead and step to widen my stance just a little bit, and then I'm gonna drag to catch up. Now, one of the things that we'll encounter is as we step drag, we wanna move our feet together like so. Try not to catch all the way up. You wanna start in a good guard stance, feet just outside of shoulder width, step drag forward, step drag backward. Now, the big thing that you wanna work on maintaining is your guard. A lot of people, when they move, okay, their hands like to drop as they move in their step drag. Now, the other thing that we were working to maintain on our step drag is what we call our toe-heel line. So the toe of my front foot should line right back up with the heel of my back foot. What this does is this gives me a little bit of depth. If you look at my stance right here, this gives me a little bit of depth and also gives me an avenue for my back foot and my back hand versus being completely sideways where I kind of shut that off. So as I'm moving in my right guard stance, in my step drag, okay, I want to step big, catch up, step big, catch up. Also make sure you're working in reverse, work both sides, step drag, and back, step drag. All right, so that's our step drag. Now, the next thing that we need is our shuffle. Our shuffle is both feet are gonna move dependently of each other. So our step drag, our feet move independently. Our shuffle, our feet are gonna move dependently, which means they're gonna move at the same time. Now, the big mistakes that a lot of people make when they shuffle is they jump too high. So you see this, and you hear that noise? Okay, I don't wanna hear that noise. I wanna hear this noise instead. That little scrape across my floor. All right, I never really want to leave the mat when I'm doing my shuffle. I want to pick up just enough to slide here. Good. Then the other thing I'm looking to maintain is my toe heel line and also my guard. Now the shuffle gets to be a lot of fun because you can do a lot of things with your guard as your students get a little bit more advanced. You can move from your guard into your wall. You can move backwards into your wall. You can start throwing some fakes, some high fakes. So if you've got some people that are starting to get into sparring, this is a really good introductory drill to fakes. You can also start working your reverse punch, which is really fun. There's a lot of things that you can do from this shuffle once you've got it. But the most basic thing that we need is being able to shuffle forward and then backward while maintaining that toe heel line. All right, guys, so those two moves should finish up all of your white to yellow belt requirements. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure you drop them, hit like and subscribe, and until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. All side.